Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you two ways to duplicate a business card here in Vistaprint. All right, so first up, or the first option, just log into your Vistaprint account. Now go ahead over to My Projects right here at the top. Just click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and select the business card that you wanted to duplicate. Okay, for example, right here at the top. So to duplicate it, just go ahead and go to the right panel right here. Just click on Copy, like so. And once done, go ahead and rename the business card. For example, Duplicate Business Card. Just hit on Copy, wait for the process to finish. And once done, here you have your duplicate. Okay, you can now go ahead and add in your new designs on this new business card. Okay, the other option is that, for example, you already bought this business card. Just go ahead over to your account right here. Just hover your mouse onto it. Now go ahead over to Order History and Reorder. As it suggests, reorder is a thing. You can just go ahead and select the specific business card right here and just click on Reorder. And that is it. That's how you duplicate a business card in Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.